SMS machinery CNC electro-hydraulic press brake 80 tons and 2,500 millimeters. HPB 82500 standard 4+1 axis configuration ensures stable, multi-axis bending with enhanced accuracy. Equipped with the intuitive Delem DA58TX control system, enabling fast programming and efficient production. Main features: 1. Welded with high-strength steel for rigidity, heat-treated and precision machined to ensure stability and accuracy. 2. Base and uprights processed by gantry milling for smooth surface fit, a solid foundation for cylinders, guides, and control integration. 3. The rear gauge beam is milled by a gantry milling machine to ensure positioning accuracy. 4. Use a grinding wheel or belt sander to preliminarily grind the slider surface to remove the oxide layer and welding residue. 5. The arc-shaped throat design can effectively disperse stress concentration, improve the frame's anti-fatigability, and extend its service life. 6. Adopts long guide rail design and is precisely adjusted to make the ram movement more stable and the verticality higher, thereby ensuring processing accuracy. Front. Electrical box and servo drive. The circuit design is simple, reasonable, and the wiring is neat. Air conditioner provide a stable, dry, clean and low-temperature environment for the precision electronic components inside the electrical cabinet. Main motor. Japan Nachi oil pump. Germany Rexroth hydraulic valve. The cylinder body is made of high-strength steel, and the internal sealing components are imported famous brand products. Keep the heat of the hydraulic oil in the optimal operating temperature range, usually 30 C 50 C, to ensure stable and efficient operation of the bending machine and extend its service life. Mechanical convex work table can achieve precise deflection compensation throughout the entire length of the work table, consisting of several sets of relatively moving inclined panels. Grading ruler come from Italy Givi Measure Company. Fast clamping system. Front support. Tool holder. Foot pedal with our emergency stop switch button. Backgauge adopts ball screw transmission. Different models are equipped with corresponding backgauge devices and convenient adjustment. The high-precision stopper finger meet high-precision processing needs. CNC Control System. The new DA58TX Touch CNC Control provides a modern, compact, and versatile solution for powerful economic press brake applications. This control with extra-large screen adds a state-of-the-art complete 2D graphical solution for synchronized press brakes to the DA50T series. The DA58TX, standard capable of controlling up to 4 axes, is housed in a stylish pendulum arm cabinet. Its 185 widescreen high-resolution color TFT with industrial-grade multi-touch technology gives access to the user-friendly Delem user interface. It enables direct hotkey touch navigation between product programming and actual production.